Okay, so today's learning objective is strings in spreadsheets. We're going to learn how to use len, left, right, and find functions. Discuss how we can use them to better understand data. The len function calculates a string's length. Use this formula to check the length of the date time string in column C. Use this formula to check the length of the date time string in column C. Okay. In cell B2, enter equal signs to begin the function, then enter len, followed by the parentheses, and select cell C2 and close the parentheses. Press enter. The results 19 indicate the string in cell 2 has 19 characters. All right, let's take a look. Let's do it. Equals len. And then we want C2, close parentheses, enter. C2. All right, so it does have 19 characters. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Ah, okay. It's definitely counting all of the characters. 2017-09-01, and then space, also a character, then 00, and then let's close that. The time 00, dot dot 02 dot dot 01. What else? I think characters in cell 2. Okay, straightforward. The find function locates specific characters and substrings in a string. All of the start time, column C, and stop time, column D. Strings in the spreadsheet have a space between date and the time. Use the find function to determine where in the string this space is located. So use the find function to determine where the string space is located. Okay. I'm doing it in B3. So enter B3 in cell B3, enter find function, enter quotation marks, then space, then close the quotation marks to specify that you want to find the space. Okay. Then a comma. Interesting. All right. Equals find, and then quotation marks, space, quotation marks, and said a comma because we're searching for space, and then the text that we're searching is going to be C3 Okay. Starting at, I don't think we need to specify that. So I think we can just leave it as C3 and it should be able to run. So we're looking for a space in C3. Press enter to run the formula. This function returns 11, indicating that the space is in the 11th character of the string. Okay, yeah. Because 2017 dash, that's 567 for 09, then dash 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then the space is the 11th character. Okay. Find is case sensitive. So always make sure you input the substring correctly. Okay. Interesting. So it's case sensitive for sure. Okay, just keep that in mind. Now we're going to try the right function. Use the right function to select a specific number of characters on the right side of a cell. Here you want to return the substring that represents time, which is contained within the 8 characters to the right of the space. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah. Cell B2, equal signs, enter right, start the parentheses, select C2, comma, enter 8. To specify that you want the function to return the 8 rightmost characters in the string. The 8 most right characters in the string. And close the parentheses. All right. That's right. C2, 8, close. All right, that worked. So what if we do 6? Right? If we do 6, 1, 2, do 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's what I should be getting. Yep. All right. Let's just change that back to 8. Sure, I'm probably gonna have to use that. Okay. The next example is using the left function. The left function Use the left function to select a specific number of characters on the left side of a cell. Here you want to return the date substring, which is the 10 characters to the left of the space. These characters represent the start date. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. Right click cell B, insert one column to the left, enter date. Okay, right click cell B, insert one column to the left, date. Date in B1 as column header, enter equal signs, start left function, open parentheses, select D2, and okay, and then it's going to be, after selecting B2, enter left into B2, open the parentheses, and then, let's see, let's just go with it. Left string is going to be D2, because we want the date from that column, from the start time. We're extracting the date, and then we want the first 10 characters. And close the parentheses, enter. All right, so we got the date extracted. Add a comma and close the parentheses. Okay. Find right, left. I believe that's it. I believe we covered this portion, which was step-by-steps, strings in spreadsheets, len, left, right, and find function. So to cover, len is length, and it returns the number of characters inside the function for searching. So for our example was that start time, and it had 19 characters. It had both the date and the timestamp, and it was also counting the space that was in between both the date and the timestamp. It was a total of 19 characters. Then for the right function, we extracted the timestamp time, only the time, selecting 8 characters. And then the left function, we extracted only the date, starting from the left. And then oh, that was the last one. Left was the left function.